Come on. Come on. Up. What? You want some? Up.
He was looking up.
Precious metals, in my eyes, are just another avenue to create wealth, create stability in life. My experience with U.S. money has been
Trying to do a turn around.
what? They do. They deliver
What?
promise. If you find gold in the
Tease him to try to do it. What?
pick up the phone and call
What?
receive the complete guide to find gold.
What? You
Paying
want?
attention to her, not you.
Silver and platinum purchases.
Cause I've been busy, I've been chasing waterfalls. I stopped believing in some kind of miracle. And I've been staring at the sun.
Do what?
They love these. Just a minute, guys. I was trying to get Lily to do something.
Here, boo boo.
Put it down to him.
Well, I don't want him to get it.
Okay.
Come on. You want to hold it?
Oh. Sit. Sit. Here. Sit. Sit. Okay. Okay, boo boo. Okay. Come on. You can do it.
Blue
Come
fighting.
on. Come on.
He's antagonizing you. Fighting.
You want that? You want that? Back? You want that? Come on. Blue wants a treat. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Sit. Sit. Come on. You want that? Oh.
Go eat.
This is not anything new
What?
in terms of having these two agencies cooperate. The district attorney's office is in the criminal courthouse. It's basically the same building.
What?
So it'll be language, it's just a sworn
What?
police statement. Here,
They look
the
almost like twins.
an indictment, which means the court will
What?
ask the former president to enter a
What?
plea, he'll plead not guilty.
What?
It's a
What?
non-violent crime.
What?
Whether it's 34
What?
crimes or one crime.
What? Do
in
it.
the indictment.
Come on.
So he'll be released on his own recognizance, and it should be
What? You speaking?
You have a lot of
Yes.
well-regarded legal experts, such as former Attorney General William Barr.
Are you speaking?
saying this indictment is illegal upon, what does he wish might be going differently?
Well, yeah, I think Attorney General Barr is in there.
Joey, where are you?
Campaign finance reform.
What you doing?
For sure, yeah. So next,
Joey.
another wild weather weekend. These trigger warnings
Come
that
on.
you're talking about at
Come
Cornell,
on.
that sort of thing. I find that concerning because I don't see how that can be helpful to students. And I think
Oh,
about this
let me do
younger
a little bit.
generation, and then I know that there are that
Okay,
many
boo-boosh.
Gen Xers, baby boomers, older millennials who I think can just stop and say,
At Meijer shopping, guys, egg prices are coming down. $3.39 a dozen. We're at Meijer's. We're at Meijer's shopping. Yeah, checked out here at Walmart, guys. I'm checking out. Checking out. Yeah, $30 for this little bit. It's a $30 for this little bit. Craziness. I'm checking out. Out doing some yard work. It's a nice day. Sunny. Sunday, around 50 degrees. It's here at the house, guys. Yep. Just home for a couple days. There's the home the second home. Got my camper. This is where Chu and I will be doing a lot of trips. Yep, it's kind of a mess right now. We'll give you a tour of our house. This here is a slide out, so it pops out. We got a stove, an oven, you know, a sink, a microwave, a refrigerator, a freezer. Yeah, this slides out, so we have cabinets here and here. This is the bathroom. We have a full bathroom with a shower. And come back here. This is like the garage. These fold down to beds, and you can actually, the whole back end drops down, and you can have like a vehicle, either like a golf cart, motorcycle, or anything that come up into here. It's just kind of storage right now, but they got these things in the floor to where you can strap it down. And then the second entrance. But yeah, it's kind of storage right now though, guys, but eventually when we get a vehicle truck to pull this thing, we can have a golf cart or something back here that we can roam around the campgrounds with. So yeah, this is our house. Second house. So Chu and I will be living in here a lot. Yay. But anyway, guys, that says a tour of our house. It's kind of nice out today, so I'm just airing it out. Just kind of show you the back. Like I was saying, this whole back end drops down. Yep. And this is my Traeger grill, guys, where it uses wood pellets. Haven't used it in a couple years. Need to use it. See much. That's kind of mom's rock garden. Different thing. Look at that. Geodes. Petoskey stone. That's lava rock. There's a big geode that needs to be cut. Different crystals.
I know.
Different crystals, babe. Not aquamarine, no. Arrowhead. Arrowhead. Different things. Yeah. Different. Oh, look, a kitty cat. Hey. Different, like, crystal formations. Not sure what that is. Some kind of... don't know. Oh, big crystal. More crystals. Not sure what these are. Almost just looks like glass blocks. Just glass blocks. Different kinds of crystals. different kinds of crystals. I think that's not sure what that is. Say Mom had a pudding stone here somewhere, but I don't know what happened to it. Geode, that's a big geode, it just needs to be cut. Go blue, guys. Michigan. Just some different kind of crystal. Different. I think that's a small geode. See some different, like, I think that was a geode that was cut. I don't know where that pudding stone went. But anyway, Chu and I will be doing a lot of this. That's a geode that's been cut. Different. Look at that. Pretty. These guys are spoiled brats.
Yeah, they are.
They gotta have a treat every time they go outside. Right, Blue?
Look at Daddy.
Right, Blue? Blue?
Look at Daddy.
Blue? Hey, right. Yeah? You spoiled? Yeah? Yeah. Good morning. Yeah, getting ready to leave again.
Where's your GoPro?
Out in the truck.
Oh, you got your memory foam below
Yep,
and your boots?
yep, got everything.
Are you sure?
Yeah, getting ready to hit the road again today,
He's
guys.
got me and you both to ask him those questions.
Huh?
You got everything.
Yep, yep.
Take care of him. Take care of my son.
Yeah. Hopefully the attorney sent message yesterday, so we double check everything. So maybe find out something today.
Oh, really?
Maybe. Maybe. So. Yep. Bye, Blue Blue. My buddy. Angel. Ooh, my baby. Bye, guys. Bye. Yeah, getting ready to head back out on the road again.
At least 29 people dead after tornadoes.
Tornadoes. Alrighty. Gotta leave.
Be safe out there.
Oh, yeah. Okie dokie. Alright, let's go. Hey guys. Getting ready to head back out on the road. Spent a nice day and a half at home, so let's go. Let's go. It's not gonna be too bad today, nice, so let's go. Catch you guys down the road. Hey, heading out this morning, guys. Gotta go pick up the trailer.